Hello, Micromanation here, and today I got something really good for you guys. First, I'm gonna let you know that I got these two things at FanX. Wow. Yeah, last week. These are really good, and I thought of unboxing them for you. We're gonna start with Mary Poppins, y'all. Yondu. Okay, first of all, let's take a moment to appreciate how he looks. He looks like his debut look in his very first issue of the Guardians of the Galaxy with Starhawk Stakar. And it has pretty good stuff, like, man. Okay. And on the back, there are more characters you can think about getting, like Captain Marvel, Spider-Man, Triton from the Inhumans, Ulik, I don't know. And there's Yondu and Iron Man. One of the best things about this action figure, it has 3 accessories: a quiver, an arrow, and a bow, and his signature red fin. Nuts. Let's try it. Alright. Okay, yep, I cannot open it like that. But let's try to open it without trying to mess it up. Tape, okay. You do not want to mess up. Okay. Okay, careful. Gotta be very careful. Especially with stuff like this. So there's no sign of any struggle. That's good. All right. Oh, yeah. And that is how you properly take off. You take out a toy without destroying the box. Oh, it is also one of those types. Okay. That was a close one. But I got the bow out. Now for the rest. And Yondu has got himself out without being destroyed or damaged. Come on. Okay, careful. Oh man, it looks stuck. Man. Aha! There we go. Oh, shut the front door. Oh man. I was kind of worried for a moment there. One more thing. Taking out the quiver. Right now. So here is Yondu out of the box, for getting himself all suited up. Oh. Okay, okay. Or we could put him on like this and shimmy it all the way in. You might need to. Let's try do this without trying to possibly snap the. Let's. Yes. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, baby. Okay, we're so close. Oh yeah, we're getting it on. We're getting it on. We're almost locked in. Just a few more clicks. And there we go. Yondu has his quiver and his... Hold on. Now let's put... Oh yeah, there we go. And yeah. And the... Oh, shoot. Now you can't get his proper... But there we go. We got Yondu. This is Bo. And I wish I could properly position it for you guys, but I do not want to show my desk. It is very dirty. I just know that it is looking very good the way it is positioned. Now we got that taken care of. One last time before I have to go to sleep. And it's already been 11 minutes. Holy Moses. Now I'll make that 12. Okay, this is one of those types where you have to be very, very, very delicate with. Because I think it was already predestined that when the adhesive got on at the plastic, stuff like this would happen. Believe me guys, I'm going to try my hardest. Oh no, I messed up Wonder Woman. Oh man. Holy crap. And Yondu's gone down. But anyways, this is Copperhead. So let's take a moment to look at these guys. We got the Dark Knight himself, Batman, Superman. I don't know who this guy is, but okay. Orion from New Genesis. Elongated Man, the Ductile Detective. Metamorpho. The Flash. The Vigilante. And the guy in the box right here. Copperhead. I wish I took a moment to really admire the artwork down here. Oh well. But jeez. There we go, it looks way better now. And now let's... Oh, cool. Kind of clever, say it. But now he is free. Now he is free. You know, I used to actually have Justice League Unlimited action figures when I was really, really young. So seeing this here kind of really Puts a tear in my eye. It's been a long time since I've had Justice League Unlimited toys. It's good to be having another one from a sense of it. One time. Anyways, this is Copperhead. I really like the design they put on the detail, especially in the mouth. It really looks like he's got a really threatening face. Just look at his eyes. They put in a lot of detail in that too. That is awesome. And I really like the addition of a snake. Oh man. Man, this, like, seriously, just look at this. Like, man. It's not about the quantity of the accessory, but rather the quality. And honestly, it is good quality. Hey, God, you actually make it really good. It really matches Bruce Timm's design of said characters. Speaking of Bruce Timm, BT, I salute you. Oh, here are the action figures in close up. It looks like the way I have Yondu right now, it looks like he's aiming to kill Copperhead. Like a real huntsman. I'll be excited to play them with them tomorrow. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and send a comment on what you guys like to see next as I go back to my bed. Well, that's all the time we have for today. We'll see you all next time. My Uncommon Niner out. Good night.